What's up YouTube? This is Kevin with Pizza Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Neapolitan pizza sauce. This will be my quickest video and my easiest recipe. All you're going to need is a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes and a teaspoon of kosher salt or sea salt. This simple sauce is perfect for Margherita pizzas in your high heat oven, as that taste of Italian tomatoes really goes well with olive oil, fresh mozzarella, and fresh basil. From there, you can add any other toppings you'd like. With this base Neapolitan sauce, you can jazz your pizza up with extra spices and garlic when you top it for pizza marinara or any other fun topping combos. San Marzano tomatoes are a sweet but not too acidic tomato from the Campania region of southern Italy. They say the ashes in the soil from Mount Vesuvius make the perfect tomato. If San Marzano tomatoes have a DOP on them, that means they are officially certified. But I really like these Cento San Marzano tomatoes as well. To make the sauce, just pulse your tomatoes in a blender until they have a nice smooth, but not watery consistency, or run them through a tomato mill. Then mix in your teaspoon of sea salt or kosher salt, and boom, you have a tasty sauce. Let's throw it on a quick margherita and pop it in the uni. Just the combination of those few flavors is so good. You can see why this style of pizza really set off a worldwide pizza revolution. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and please subscribe to Pizza Channel for all kinds of great videos on making pizza.